I feel like she already knows that she lost, and I feel like he does too. Their facial expressions to me feel like that if they don't lose, they're gonna be insanely surprised. Why is the camera zoomed in on her?
Mr. Foreperson, is this the verdict of the jury?
Yes, Your
All right, is it unanimous?
Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. Jamie?
In civil case number CL 2019-2911, Mr. Depp's claim against Ms. Heard. 1. As to the statement appearing in the online op-ed entitled, "Amber Heard, I spoke up against sexual violence and faced our culture's wrath. That has to change." In the Washington Post online edition, quote, "I spoke up against sexual violence and faced our culture's wrath. That has to change," end quote. Do you find that Mr. Depp has proven all the elements of defamation? Answer, yes. Has Mr. Depp proven by a greater weight of the evidence that, question, the statement was made or published by Ms. Heard? Answer, yes. Question, the statement was about Mr. Depp? Answer, yes. Question, the statement was false? Answer, yes.
Damn!
Question, the statement has a defamatory implication about Mr. Depp? Answer, yes.
Damn.
Question, the defamatory implication was designed and intended by Ms. Heard? Answer, yes.
Dude, she is
Question,
really
due to
regretting writing that.
circumstances surrounding the publication of the statement, it conveyed a defamatory implication to someone who saw it other than Mr. Depp? Answer, yes. Do you find that Mr. Depp has proven by clear and convincing evidence that Ms. Heard acted with actual malice? Answer, yes.
Absolutely, she did.
2. As to the statement appearing in the op-ed entitled, "A Transformative Moment for Women," in the Washington Post print edition and the online op-ed, "Amber Heard, I spoke up against sexual violence and faced our culture's wrath. That has to change," in the Washington Post online edition. Quote, "Then 2 years ago, I became a public figure representing domestic abuse, and I felt the full force of our culture's wrath for women who speak out," end quote. Do you find that Mr. Depp has proven all the elements of defamation? Answer, yes. Has Mr.
Damn.
Depp proven by a greater weight of the evidence that, question, the statement was made or published by Ms. Heard? Answer, yes.
Yo, I feel like this is the first
Question,
time
the
we've ever
statement
seen any
was
real
about
emotion
Mr.
out of her.
Depp. Answer, yes. Question, the statement was false?
She's
Answer,
never looked like this the
yes.
entire trial.
Question, the statement
She's never
has a
looked like that the
defamatory
entire trial.
implication about Mr. Depp? Answer, yes.
I think she's genuinely sad.
Question, the defamatory implication was designed
Well,
and intended
she's genuinely
by Ms.
upset
Heard?
that she got caught,
Answer,
basically.
yes. Question, due to circumstances surrounding the publication of the statement, it conveyed a defamatory implication to someone who saw it other than Mr. Depp? Answer, yes. Do you find that Mr. Depp has proven by clear and convincing evidence?
Hey, Luna, thank
that
you for the
Ms. Heard
resub.
acted with actual malice? Answer, yes.
3 months, thank you
3.
very much.
As to the
Zephy, thank you
statement
as well. Sorry I didn't say that.
appearing in the op-ed entitled, "A Transformative Moment for Women," in the Washington Post print edition and the online op-ed, "Amber Heard, I spoke up against sexual violence and faced our culture's wrath. That has to change," in the Washington Post online edition. Quote, "I had the rare vantage point of seeing in real time how institutions protect men accused of abuse," end quote.
Yo, Yang, thanks for the
Do you find
resub.
that Mr.
4
Depp
months.
has proven all the elements of defamation? Answer, yes. Has Mr. Depp proven by a greater weight of the evidence that, question, the statement was made or published by Ms. Heard? Answer, yes. Question, the statement was about Mr. Depp? Answer, yes. Question, the statement was false? Answer, yes. Question, the statement has a defamatory implication about Mr. Depp. Answer, yes. Question, the defamatory implication
Dude, is he
was
drawing?
designed and intended
That guy's
by
drawing.
Ms.
Look at
Heard.
all his pencils and
Answer,
shit.
yes. Question, due to circumstances surrounding the publication of this statement, it conveyed a defamatory implication to someone who saw it other than Mr.
Hey,
Depp.
Siron, thank you for the resub.
Answer, yes. Do you find that Mr. Depp
8 months,
has
thank you very
proven
much.
by clear and convincing evidence that Ms. Heard acted with actual malice? Answer, yes.
Courtroom artist, yeah.
As against Amber Heard, we, the jury, award compensatory damages in the amount of $10 million. As against Amber Heard, we, the jury, award punitive damages in the amount of $5 million. In
Wait,
civil
so Depp got 10 million, but he got 5 million?
case number, as against Amber Heard, is in the amount of $10 million. As against Amber Heard, we, the jury, award punitive damages in the amount of $5 million. In civil case number CL 2019,
Oh, he got 15 million. Oh, okay.
Ms. Heard's claim against Mr. Depp.
Oh, two separate compensations. Okay.
As to this statement, appearing in the April 8, 2020 online edition of the Daily Mail, quote, Amber Heard and her friends in the media use fake sexual violence allegations as both a sword and shield, depending on their needs.
100
They
million.
have selected some of her sexual violence hoax facts as the sword, inflicting them on the public and Mr. Depp. Do you find that Ms. Heard has proven all the elements of defamation? Answer, no. 2. As to this statement appearing in the April 27, 2020 online edition of the Daily Mail, quote, quite simply, this was an ambush, a hoax. They set Mr. Depp up by calling the cops, but the first attempt did not do the trick. The officers came to the penthouses, thoroughly searched and interviewed, and left after seeing no damage to face or property. So Amber and her friends spilled a little wine and roughed the place up, got their story straight under the direction of a lawyer and publicist, and then placed a second call to 911, end quote. Do you find that Ms. Heard has proven all the elements of defamation? Answer, yes. Has Ms. Heard proven by a greater weight of the evidence that, question, Mr. Waldman, while acting as an agent for Mr. Depp,
Nah, Depp
made
doesn't
or
care about the
published
money. At
statement?
least I don't think so.
Answer, yes. Question, the statement was about Ms. Heard. Answer, yes. Question, the statement was seen by someone other than Ms. Heard. Answer, yes. Question, the statement was false. Answer, yes. Do you find that Ms. Heard has proven by clear and convincing evidence that the statement by Mr. Waldman was made with actual malice? Answer, yes. 3. As to this statement, appearing in the April 27, 2020 online edition of the Daily Mail, quote, we've reached the beginning of the end of Ms. Heard's abuse hoax against Johnny Depp, end quote. Do you find that Ms. Heard has proven all the elements of defamation?
Yeah, this is a pretty
Answer,
big win.
No. As against John C. Depp II, we, the jury, award compensatory damages in the amount of $2 million. As against John C. Depp II, we, the jury, award punitive damages in the amount of $0.
All right. Does either side wish to have the jury polled?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Jamie?
Members of the jury, if this is your verdict, please answer yes. If this is not your verdict, please answer no. Juror number 6. Yes. Juror number 10.
Yes.
Juror number 15.
Yes.
Juror number 16.
Yes.
Juror number 22. Yes. Juror number 27. Yes. Juror number 29.
Yes.
All right, I do find that the jury's verdict is unanimous. Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes your service in this case. I want to thank you again for your dedication and your hard work during this trial, and I know I speak for everybody here when I tell you that we appreciate
Holy
your
shit.
sacrifices and your time and your public service in this matter, okay? So I'm going to have you go back to the jury deliberation room for one more time, and then we'll release you from there, okay? All right, thank you.
Holy shit. So now the judge is gonna
All right. Okay. In accordance with law, I will amend the punitive damages award to the statutory cap of $350,000 on Mr. Depp's award, okay? I will set this down for entry of an order, and can we do it on June 24th at 10 a.m. if that's available? All right,
Yes,
if Mr. Chu, if you could prepare that order and then circulate it to Ms. Bretterhoff, and we can have all the objections noted on it. All right?
We'll do that, Your Honor. Thank you very much.
All right, and if I get it before that date, I'll take it off the docket, okay? All right, again, thank you to all the attorneys for your professionalism, and you're welcome to come to my courtroom anytime. Well, give me a few weeks, but then you can come anytime, okay? All right, court is adjourned. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right.
Oh, dude, they're so happy, dude. Holy shit. Dude, does that guy got a mullet? I'm jealous. If I could grow hair, dude, I'd have a mullet. I mean, I can grow the back. Dude, maybe I should just grow the back of my hair out, dude. It'd be man mode up here and party in the back, dude. A skullet. Yeah, dude. A skullet. Dude, maybe I should do that. 6 years ago, my life, the life of my children, the lives of those closest to me, and also lives of the people who for many, many years have supported and believed me were forever changed. All that in the blink of an eye. False, very serious criminal allegations were levied at me via the media, which triggered an endless barrage of hateful content. Although no charges were ever brought against me, it had already traveled. Dude, this has 2 million fucking, dude, I don't like that fucking dude. 6 years later, the jury gave me my life back. I'm truly humbled. My decision to pursue this case, knowing very well the height of the legal hurdles that I would be facing, the inevitable worldwide spectacle into my life, was only made after considerable thought. From the very beginning, the goal of bringing this case was to reveal the truth regardless of the outcome. Yeah, see, he didn't care about the money. Speaking the truth was something that I owed to my children and to all those who have remained steadfast in their support of me. I feel at peace knowing I have finally accomplished that. Dude, what a legend. What a legend, dude. I am and have been overwhelmed by the outpouring of love and the colossal support and kindness from around the world. I hope that my quest to have the truth be told will be help to others, men or women, who have found themselves in my situation, that those supporting them never give up. I also hope that the position will now return to innocent until proven guilty, both within the courts and in the media. I wish to acknowledge the noble work of the judge, the jurors, the court staff, and the sheriffs who have sacrificed their own time to get to this point, and all my diligent and unwavering legal team who did an extraordinary job in helping me to share the truth. The best is yet to come, and a new chapter has finally begun.
My reaction to you is Amber Heard's statement, which we just have in to us right now. Let me read that. The disappointment I feel today is beyond words. I'm heartbroken that the mountain of evidence still was not enough to stand up to the disproportionate power
Mountain of
and sway
evidence.
of my ex-husband. I'm even more disappointed with what this verdict means for other women. It is a setback. It sets back the clock to a time when a woman who spoke up and spoke out could be publicly shamed and humiliated. It sets back the idea that violence against women is to be taken seriously. She goes on to say, I believe Johnny's attorney succeeded in getting the jury to overlook the key issue of freedom of speech and ignore evidence that was so conclusive that he won in the UK. I'm sad I lost this case, but I am sadder still that I seem to have lost a right that I thought I had as an American to speak freely and openly. Again, that's a statement from Amber Heard
Holy
sent
fuck,
to us
dude.
by her publicist, where she says, I'm sad I lost this case. So even though the jurors did find that Johnny Depp's attorney defamed her with one of his statements, as we've been saying, clearly this is a big loss for her. And Linda, when she says, you know, this is an affront to freedom of speech, what's your take on that?
It's not. The problem is that we said this is a
You're
very
my
important case for
hero?
freedom of speech
Holy
when we started
fuck.
covering it here at the Law and Crime Network.
Oh
But
my
it's also
God.
important that
We
family
believe you and
children
stand by
forever.
you.
So,
My
women
darling
like
girl,
said,
you did
for,
everything you could. You
Johnny
did
Depp.
everything
Because on the
right.
other side of the token, what you have is a lawyer who's going to be paying a malpractice policy.
Did these people even watch the fucking trial? She will always remember this is the day she almost caught Captain Jack
When they said
Sparrow.
definitive 25, I literally looked back and he just smiled.
Hell
How
yeah.
did you know? So he needs to come over here and give us an exclusive.
I feel like there are some people that think that no matter what a woman does, she can't be the abuser.
I tend to believe all women, but this specific case opened my eyes to not believe all women. And following the evidence and from the divorce through the UK trial, as we said already, I just was a little bit disappointed in myself for taking that stance at first because I didn't have all the facts.
Do you think it should be less about believe all women, but just maybe listen to the evidence, listen to the facts,
I mean,
take these things seriously instead of coming up with slogans?
I mean, you
that
can't hate on that.
automatically convict people?
Right, yes, I do.
Yeah.
That's how I feel about it.
Yeah,